Hello everyone, Kilo Oscar 6, Mike Sierra Echo. It is July 7th, 2026. Time 23:39 Pacific Time, California, US. And I just wanted to share something new I just came up with about a separate dedicated receive antenna on my ICOM IC7300 MK2. I decided to try and connect the receive only antenna, which again is just a 50 foot of wire I strung all around my house, inside of my house. And again, I did this because my external antenna picks up so much noise that makes it 40 meters pretty unusable for me. But this internal receive only antenna is just a lifesaver, especially with the dedicated receive only port on IC7300 MK2. Anyway, so before, if you watched my previous videos, I had simply connected a receive only antenna to the receive only port on the IC7300. Today I wanted to try something different. I connected the receive only antenna through this MFJ tuner. This MFJ tuner is not usable for transmission. Something happened to the circuitry. I don't know what exactly. The SWR readings became very sort of jumpy, and I just decided not to use it for transmission anymore. And that's when I purchased this Comet tuner. Anyway, so I connected my receive only antenna through this tuner, and I think it works even better now. I cannot really explain all the physics, but this tuner allows me to, I guess, to make my 50-foot indoor 50-foot wire, I guess, more resonant, and I will demonstrate. So I connected my receive only antenna to coax 1 antenna input on the tuner, and I connected receive port on the IC 7300. I connected receive port to the transmit line of the MFJ tuner, effectively connecting my receive only antenna through the tuner inductor circuitry. So anyway, and this is the result I'm getting. I think I'm getting even better reception now, maybe because I'm able to now make my indoor antenna more resonant. I think I said that already. And I know the position of this inductor, best position for this inductor switch for 40 meters, because I just know from my experience using this tuner with my antenna system. So I make my receive only antenna more resonant by adjusting these two knobs, antenna matching and transmitter matching knobs, and this is what happens. See, I made it kind of more out of tune, and you see the noises and well, the reception goes down, and especially these, I guess these are FT8 transmissions. They serve as sort of like a baseline for me. So you see the difference? So it goes out of resonance and then in resonance, my indoor receive antenna. And yeah, I think I can improve even further the reception quality of my indoor receive only antenna by using this MFJ tuner, which makes me even more happy. So, and this is what happens. I want to show you what happens when I switch to my external antenna, which brings in lots and lots of QRM noise. So I'm going to switch to my external antenna now. Right now my receive only antenna is on. Switching to external antenna. See how much noise? All this, especially all this crackling. It's windy outside, and I suspect that, well, there's power lines going nearby. Look how much noise. Of course, I can turn down RF gain, but look at these FT8 transmissions. They're also their level also goes down. So anyway, it's windy today, and there's power lines nearby running by my house, and utility transformer on the pole, and these power lines, they're also touching tree branches of a tree on the street, and this wind shakes it all. I think this probably part of the reason why I'm getting all this noise, also because of the power lines. I've noticed when it's windy, the noise gets even worse. Maybe there's something loose in the transformer, maybe the winds, the tree branches touching the power lines, they're creating some disturbance, causing these spurious emissions. I'm not sure. Maybe some micro arcing. I don't know. So I'm switching back to my internal indoor receive only antenna. And there you go. Everything cleaned up. And look at these FT8 data guys signal. It's beautiful. So I can even afford now to increase somewhat the RF gain if I want to bring up some weaker signals. Yeah, this is beautiful. I love the benefit of extra receive antenna port. Look at this level of the FT8 guys. So they're serving me sort of like a baseline. For useful signal strength. Anyway, just wanted to share. Have a good day, everyone. 73. See you on the next one. I'm about to start transmitting CQ, and I'm gonna maybe record a video if there's any interest in QSOs. 73, everyone.